Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In today's video, I am going to show you how to forward port in Mikrotik router to view CCTV camera online from anywhere. To set up port forwarding rules, you will first require a public static IP on your internet connection. In the Mikrotik routers, go to the IP then select Firewall. Next, click on the NAT tab. Click on the plus sign to add a new NAT rule. Choose chain as the DSNet. Set the protocol to TCP or UDP, depending on your camera's requirements. In the DST port field, enter your DVR or NVR server port number. Next, click on the In Interface field and then select your router's WAN interface. Go to Action and then select DSNet. Into Addresses field, input your DVR or NVR local IP address. Into Ports field, enter your DVR or NVR server port again. Set the rules comment and then click Apply OK. Next, open Hikvision IVMS 4200 on your computer. Click on Maintenance. Next, click on the Add sign to add new device. Choose Adding Mode as IP domain and then enter your device nickname. Next, enter your Mikrotik static IP in address field. Set port as 8000. Next, enter your DVR NVR username and password and then click on Add button. After adding the device, go to Main View.